the changes. Okay, we are tracing the changes of the 1,000 years of medieval period, and we have discussed about the art of cartography, the terms, okay, the language, the words, the meaning. It has been changed over years. Then the technological development we have discussed. Tell me,
Yes,
Ashish,
ma'am.
which are the technological development which was happened during this medieval time?
Ma'am, new technological developments are the Persian wheel,
Ma'am, the Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel in weaving, and firearms in battle.
Firearms in
and
combat.
firearms in battle.
Okay, yes. Okay, so these are the examples for the technological development. And food items. New food items arrived in the subcontinent. Which are they?
Ma'am, potatoes, chilies, tea, and coffee.
Yes, potato, corn, chili, and tea and wheat. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
See, this is the problem with this board here. I'm taking my maximum sound.
Okay.
Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's okay.
I'll adjust. Okay, I'll adjust the mic. Okay. So, children, so new food items has been arrived. It has been arrived in the subcontinent. Potato, corn, chili, then tea and coffee. Okay. So till that time, it was unknown to the people. So during the medieval time, it arrived. Okay, it has been arrived in the subcontinent. Then during this period, it was a period of great mobility. Okay, people were moved from one place to another place, and mainly they were searching for opportunities. Okay, for better job opportunities or for visiting the places. Travelers, okay, they used to visit different places. So this was the period of great mobility, and also many section of people, many groups of people, they became prominent
Very powerful.
during yes, prominent and powerful during this time. And among them important was
Ma'am,
Rajaput.
Rajput.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, can you see the meaning of mobility?
Moving. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So among this group, the section who become powerful group, it was Rajaputs. The term derived from Rajaputra,
Ma'am,
meaning
that means son of a ruler.
Son of a king or ruler.
ruler. Okay. Then these people were acted as rulers, chieftains,
Commanders,
soldiers, and
chieftains.
commanders.
Ma'am, soldiers and commanders.
Yeah, and these people, they were
Ma'am,
extreme,
very royal.
yes,
Very
loyal
loyal
and
to their masters.
brave. Okay, brave people who was
Ma'am, who
loyal
were
to
ready
their
to die
masters.
for their master.
Okay. So, and also they claimed Kshatriya status. Okay, the society during that time, before it was divided as four varnas. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
Kshatriyas were the people who were acted as the
Rulers.
soldiers or warriors. Yeah, so the same status. So the Rajaputs, they claimed Kshatriya status. And other than these Rajaputs, there were also other section of people who become powerful. That was
Ma'am, Marathas,
Marathas,
Jats, Sikhs,
Ahams,
and Kayaks.
scribes.
Sikhs, okay, and Kayasthas, okay, scribes, the caste of scribes or secretaries. Okay, so these all groups become prominent and powerful during this time.
Time, medieval period.
Yes. Okay, so this is about the social change. Okay, the political means many people who become powerful politically, they become important. Now, about the life of the people, what all changes was happened in the life structure, okay, of the people. So, children, during this time, there was a gradual clearing of forest. Forests were cleared. Okay, and you
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
children, the forest dwellers, that means those who lived in the forest, they were pushed out from their habitat. Habitat, I have told you, the place where they live. The habitat of a fishes.
Ma'am, is water.
Yeah, pond. Okay, that means related to any water source. Okay, so
Ma'am,
this,
I have a doubt, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, like, why did the people like clear the forests and push
Yeah,
the
because
forest dwellers?
yes, you know, children, they the society was developed, okay, during the medieval time. Medieval period, not like ancient period. Ancient period, it is too old. The people merely depending forest for their livelihood. Okay, during the medieval time, what did happen? There was a gradual change. Okay, the things were changing during the medieval time. And modern period, what does it happen?
Ma'am, everything is new.
All these changes that was existed in the medieval period, it become developed, or it become
New.
yes, that means technology, everything was developed and it was innovative and creative during the
Ma'am, life is very
modern
easy.
period. Okay, yes.
Life is very easy.
Yes. Okay, so medieval period, it is the period where the things, it has been changed. Okay, the changes were happened during the medieval time. Okay, modernity means that at extreme sense. Okay, the
Yes, ma'am.
development was in yes, extreme sense. So here also during the medieval time, the people were started to clear the land. Okay, clear the forest, and these forest dwellers, they were pushed out from their habitat, and these people, okay, they were started to practice agriculture. They were started to produce the things, okay, the crops or the grains which they want. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am. It's
Okay,
clear.
so
ma'am.
during the medieval time, there was a gradual clearing of the forest, and the forest dwellers were forced to, okay, they were pushed out from their habitat, and these people, okay, there was an extension of agriculture. The people were started to produce the things which they want. Okay, then they were, so the forest dwellers, that means the people, those who lived in the forest, they were started to migrate from forest. Why they wanted to migrate? What do you mean by migrate?
Ma'am, go from one
Change
place
the
go
place.
to one
Yes, from that place to another place.
Another
So the
place.
people, those who lived in the forest, they were forced to move from forest, okay, and they were started to till the land. That means they were started to practice agriculture. Very important point, children, note it down. The forest dwellers during the medieval time, the people, those who confined to the forest, they were pushed out from their habitat, and these people were started to till the land, and they become peasants, or they were started to
Ma'am,
produce
what does
the
it mean?
things. Which one? You are muted, Aldous.
Ma'am, what does peasants means?
Farmers.
Ma'am, people who sell things, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, so it means that forest dwellers became farmers?
Yeah. They cleared the forest, and they were started to produce the things. Is it clear?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
clear,
And
ma'am.
they became
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
peasants.
excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, was this clearing of forest done by these,
People,
the
yeah.
powerful people or the farmers?
Or the forest dwellers itself. Okay, so they were, means that the people were started to clear the forest. So these people, they do not have space to live, isn't it? When the forests
Yes,
are
ma'am.
cleared, where these people will live, and where they till that time they ate what all things they got from the forest, isn't it, children?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if the
Yes,
forests
ma'am.
were cleared, how do these people will live? Okay, so it led them to live a settled life. Okay, the people were slowly, they were changing, they were started, okay, they started to live a settled life. That means they cleared the land, and they tilled the land, and they produce certain things which they want to live. So this was the time. Okay, so this was the major the change which was happened there in our means this period. Okay, that means the people were started to, they were started to produce the things which they wanted. So they till the land, and they produce, and they become peasants.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so did this hunting and extinction of animals become very
Rare. It
increased
become
at that
rare.
time because there is no forest?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that means forest people merely they were hunting. Okay, that was their job. Okay, during that time. Okay, they ate the things what they hunt and all. But after then, they became peasants. That means they were started to lead a settled life. Means that like whatever we live today. Okay, they all they started to produce the things and
Ma'am,
they
to settle
migrate.
in a place forever.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
they migrate. Yeah.
Ma'am, so did they migrate to
Ah.
practice agriculture?
Yes. Okay. That means they have they do not get the time or they will not get a chance to live in the forest anymore. Okay, because they were pushed out from their place. Okay, so they were started to clear the forest and they were started to practice agriculture and they became peasants. Okay, farmers.
Ma'am, so after they were pushed out from the forest and they became peasants, like they were they treated, were they ill-treated?
Ill-treated.
Yes, ma'am.
No, no,
Like
no.
discrimination.
No. After then, children, when they form peasants and when they form a society, after then this caste, all this came. Okay, that's what we were going to discuss. So during that time, there was no such basis. The people were not they were not means being divisioned on the basis of anything. Okay, but later on, when they formed societies, they formed into different jadis, different caste. Okay, so they so that after then only it come. Okay, so this
Okay,
time
ma'am.
they were safe. Okay, so the new peasants groups. Okay, that means the people, those who become peasants, the forest dwellers, those who become peasants, they were influenced by regional market because they used to sell the things which whatever they produce. Okay, and some people become powerful. Okay, some peasants they were started to rear the cattle. Okay, and they began to be very influential. Influential means powerful, rich. Okay, and many of them were served as the local chieftain, priest. Okay, and monasteries. Monasteries, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, monasteries and temples. So these people, the people, those who practice agriculture or those who become peasants, they become powerful and they were influenced by the regional market. That means the things they were selling, okay, these things into the markets, and these people were influenced by many other section of the people that is chieftain, priest, monasteries, and in temples.
Ma'am.
And yes.
Ma'am, so did these new peasant groups, did they become powerful by serving these Rajputs?
Serving these people, okay, as a society, these people in the society, not Rajputs, these all sections.
Peasants.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the important change was happened during this time was this point, please note it down, children. They were required to pay taxes. Taxes, children, taxes, it is being collected by the rulers. Okay, for the
Yes, ma'am.
people. Yes, for the people. So medieval time, the tax system. Okay, so these people, the peasants, were required to pay the taxes and offer goods and services to the local lord. What do you mean by local lords? The local
Ma'am, that
chief.
place, the person who
One
rules
person
that
who is
place.
prominent in a locality.
In that place.
Yes. So offer goods and services. What do you mean by goods and services?
Ma'am, the things that are
Ma'am, the
needed
important things for the
the things
day-to-day
they
lives.
produce, and also sometimes they need to render services to these persons. Okay, so this new peasants group, they began to be very influential, and they were required to pay taxes, and also they need to offer goods and services to the local chieftain. Okay, local means the important person of that locality. Okay, so some peasants, children, they possessed more productive land. Some possess cattle. Okay, so the society become more differentiated. That means people of different kinds, okay, were emerged during this time, and so it led to the economic and social differences among peasants. What do you mean by social and economic differences?
Ma'am,
Economic
according to the
differences
money,
means that
Yeah.
some are
and
very rich. Okay, that
and
means
some are
they
very
possess
poor.
Ma'am,
more
economic
cattle,
means the
some
money and
possess more land. Okay, then so there was an economic and social differences among the peasants. So they grouped into jadis or subcaste. Please note it down, children. So the peasants, they began to be.
Ma'am, can you zoom that slide so that
Maybe you want that only. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, are you children?
yes, ma'am?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you zoom that slide so it would be easy to see?
Okay, sure. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's enough.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So children, this is the most important change which was happened in the life or the social or the field. Okay, social and we were discussing about the social and the political changes. So the life of the people, it has been changed during the medieval time. That means the forest dwellers, they were depending on the forest for their survival. They were pushed out from their habitat, and these people were started to till the land, and they began to produce many things.
Ma'am,
Okay, and
one doubt.
yeah,
Ma'am, so where did the peasants went to live?
peasants.
Ma'am, where did the peasants go for to live?
No, they just cleared the land. Okay, and they migrated to different places. That means they cleared some of the lands, and from that place they went to some other places, and they cleared the land, and they were started to produce the things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, so
Okay,
they made
not
the
to
land
any
into
other
plains?
country. Okay, not to any other country in the same, I mean, in India itself, they began to migrate from place to place, and they were started to practice agriculture.
Ma'am, like they made the land to plains? Flat?
Yes. Okay. It is they made it available for their cultivation after tilling the land. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, so this grouping into jadis or subcastes was done by peasants or by Rajputs?
But no, not Rajaputs. Rajaputs, they were acted as soldiers or rulers or whatever may be. But here, the society was developed as many section of people. That means just simple peasants. Some of these peasants, they become powerful. That means some are very rich. Some possess cattle. Some possess more productive land. So society was differentiated. What do you mean by differentiated?
Ma'am, like it's a
People.
different group.
Yeah, different types of people are living in the same society. Okay, so that time they were grouped into. Okay, as the society was differentiated, what it's happened? People were grouped into many sections.
Ma'am, so it was the beginning of the caste?
And listen, children, based on their background. Okay, that is the speciality. See, children,
Ma'am, background means economic backgrounds?
Yes. Okay, see, on the basis of their background and their occupation. See, some caste are there based on their occupation.
Yes, ma'am. Like the table, the servants
Yes.
and
Carpenters. Yeah. So here
Ma'am,
also the people were grouped on the basis of their background and their occupation.
Ma'am, so it was grouped like powerful people are higher caste and
Together, group
other people
together.
are lower
Yes,
caste.
other one the same. Yes.
So were they selling goods and services? Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
So were they selling goods as a group?
No, yes. Okay, means based on their occupation. Some possess cattle, some possess land. Okay, and also some became artisans. So based on their occupation, they grouped into many jadis.
Ma'am,
so it was the beginning of the castes?
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am.
Caste system was there, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, it was there. So subcaste or jadis. Okay, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am, so that's only one, like one caste of people can do only one work that started from this time, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Medieval period, this was the change. Okay. So children, so during this time, there was a gradual clearing of the forest and the extension of the agriculture. That means the forest, okay, forests were cleared during this time, and the people were started to till the land, and they were started to practice agriculture. That is the first point. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Forests were
ma'am.
cleared. Forest dwellers were pushed out from their habitat, and they began to till the land, and they were started to produce certain things. Okay, clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and among these peasants, okay, they were very influential. That means, no, they were many people, those who serve the other section of the people, and these people
like the servants who serve the kings and rulers.
Yes. Okay, and also these people were required to pay the taxes. During that time, it was not in terms of cash, children, goods. Okay, sometimes a certain percentage of the things they produce, they have to pay as taxes.
Ma'am, like the important things for the day-to-day life, like food.
Means whatever they produce, at somewhat percentage they need to pay as taxes.
Ma'am, so if it is a farmer, so they have to give food.
Farmers, they have to pay taxes to the rulers. Local people. Okay, local chieftains. Yes.
Ma'am, so it is like the rulers give a part of land for the farmers to farm, and
sometimes,
half
percentage, but not during this time. Later it was happened. The rulers will give the peasants to cultivate, but they have to pay rent.
Okay, ma'am. They should give half of the thing they cultivate.
Things they produce. Okay. Yes. So they were required to pay taxes. That is the important point. So this point you have to note it down. This point you have to note it down. They were required to pay the taxes, and the people were, okay, so the society was differentiated. That means that some were rich, some possess more land, some possess cattle. So the society was differentiated. So the people were grouped. Okay, so it happened to a major change, significant economic and social difference among the peasants, and the society was grouped into jadis or subcaste, and they were ranked on the basis of their background and their occupation. Means the society was grouped or ranked on the basis of their background or their occupation. Okay, so the society, it began to be developed during the medieval time. In simple term, they were merely forest dwellers, okay, hunter gatherers. They were started to produce the things, and they formed a society where people, okay, the peasants or the other group of people, they lived in a particular place, and this group began to be more influential among the people. They were required to pay the taxes, okay, like a society whatever we live today. Okay, so the existence was there during the medieval time. Okay, but it was not in an extreme modern way like whatever we live today, and they were grouped into jadis or subcaste. But on the basis of their background and their occupation.
So were they living in separate villages?
Yeah, They were started to lead a settled life. Okay, in villages. Okay, they rear the cattle, they produce the things, the taxes they paid. Okay, then jadis. And for this jadi, yeah, Smriti.
Ma'am, so lower caste people should give tax to higher caste people, and higher caste people will give tax to rulers. Like that?
Higher caste? No, not that way, dear. Here, you know, the society, it means the people, those who possess land.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
or those who rear more cattle, they need to, they are required to pay the taxes to the rulers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that the ruler can use it for the people or for themselves.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So about Jadi Panchayat, shall we discuss it on the next class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, so whenever a society was formed, I'll give an introduction. Whenever a society, you know, when it was formed, you know, there would be some rules and regulations for that group. Isn't it, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If we were playing any